Hello everyone, my name is Timmy from DKBrickStudios, and today I'm going to be showing you how to be building the Millennium Falcon from Episode 7, The Force Awakens. But before we get right into that, let that intro roll, and we'll go from there, shall we? Let's. Alrighty, so here we are, and here it is, the Millennium Falcon from Solo, not a Star Wars story, from Episode 7. That's the right movie. I've already done the Millennium Falcon from Solo, not this. I'll be showing you how to change this thing, so, later down the line to the original trilogy, but that's another story for another day. But right now, we have the Falcon. We're going to show you how to build the thing. If you have not seen my build talk, God bless America, I know how to speak. If you have not seen my, what's the word I'm looking for here? My mock spotlight, that's what I'm looking for, yes. My mock spotlight on this, please check the description down below. The card here, that will definitely lead you to where you need to go to. And yeah, let's get on with this, with the views, and yeah. Here's the front, the back, the left, the right, the bottom, and of course the top. Yeah, let's get this thing started, shall we? I'm going to turn this on. Alrighty. So, I'll be showing you all the steps here while I be flipping back and forth. Yes. That's proper English. So, we'll be needing two 1x2x6s, a 1x4, and a round plate. Okay, then. Start with the round plate. That actually sounds like a good idea. Round plate. Then we want a plate. And then we want to plate 2x6s plates, like so. That's what we want so far. Now we're going to be getting 2x3s and a 1x6. And a 1x6. That's what we should have so far, and I shall mention this as I continue the build. Add parts into here, you'll see the list of parts grow in there. Alrighty, so we're going to need this angled plate. What's the plate called? The angled plate, if it is an angled plate. Bracket plate. Wing plates, and this lamp holder, I believe that's what it's called. Okay, so we're going to modified car first. We'll take this. And then I'm going to grab you. What? Oh, probably the wrong version. Okay, hang on a second. Something's going on here. Okay, all good. I'm going to grab the right version, though. Plate. Cut. We want that, and we'll want that. Now we'll need plate 1x1s and plate 2x2s. Plate 1x1s with one stud, and plate 1x2s, just normal. Tiles, really. They're tiles. They be tiles. Okay, then dark bluish gray. Like so. Plate 1x4, plate 1x1, and a 2x3. Okay, then. So we need a plate 1x4, plate 1x1, and a plate 2x6. 3, did I? No, okay, I just wanted to double check. Now we're going to start building the turret, so we need this. Just there, and I need to remember where that piece is. I think it could be in here. Yes. We need to slope 1x2 with triple with bottom holder stud. It needs to look like that. Something you'd use on a roof. Now we'll need antennas. Alright, so we need to go to rod. And that. That. Hang on, wait a second. Let me do something here smartly. And that should look like that. Then we need to add a plate 1x2. Hang on, let me take a look at this list here. 2 1x1, 2x2, and a 2x2. Okay. I was making sure before I made a mistake. Alrighty, folks. Okay, we'll need a plate 1x1, plate 2x2, plate 2x2, and a corner piece. We'll need 2 round plates, right? Oh, wait. We need a plate 1x1 and a 2x2. Tile. Okay, I'm making sure I'm grabbing everything here, folks. That's that to there. And now we're going to need round. Now, if you cannot get these round plates, since apparently they might not be available, if you cannot get these, do something like, you could do them as a regular plate, or you could do them as like gray. Do them however you really wish. I mean, I would recommend maybe really doing them as like these one by ones, but hey, that's just me. Yep, now we're doing the thing. We're doing the antenna. So I will need go to here. Sorry if you hear all that buzzing, that's my phone just going off. Make sure to put that thing on vibrate before I film. Yeah, I don't like that one. This is the... Oh wait, they're both the same. Okay then. Okay. Let's make sure the angle of this thing's at 225. Now I will need a Technic piece. Attach that on like that. And we just need to plate 1x2. And have it in the center. Okay, we need 2 more 2x2s, and we need a plate 1x4. Then we'll need a plate 1x4. Wait, let me just make sure I have them right. Yeah, 1x4, 1x2, and 4 round studs. We're going the right one, not into the wrong one. That there. Make sure I know what color this is. Trans medium blue. Okay then. I honestly think light blue would be the better color for it, but yeah, I'm kind of going off the original plan for this. Whatever, I don't care. And last but not least, we have to build the cockpit. Slope. Cone. And trans-clear plate, round tile 1x1. And yeah, that's basically it. There you go, your Millennium Falcon. So yeah, that's basically it, folks. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I know I enjoyed making it for you guys. So yeah, this is Damien from DKBrickStudios. Getting ready to sign off, and yeah, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you thought in the comment section down below. Please check out my links in the description down below. Check out my socials along with my friend's novel Rise. Link to that is also in the description down below. Along with, check out, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please comment down below what models you would like to see next. I would greatly appreciate that. And yeah, this is Dave from DKBrickStudios signing off. Remember, may the Force and the Force of others be with you always. I'll see y'all in the next video.
Chasing the dark from the night. Trust in your feelings and find a new hope. Take your best shot and let go.